Hello everyone on the best crypto channel number one on the YouTube, where we cover up all the things, keep you updated, informed, talking about most resonant crypto news in the crypto world. So I hope guys you really enjoyed, and let's get started. So the reason why you should watch to the end is that today we are gonna talking about some exciting news like Amazon's Bitcoin acceptance can prime a payments future. Also gonna talking about Bitcoin fractal that predicted 2020 rally flashes again as Bitcoin price reclaims $40K. So Amazon Denied reports it will accept Bitcoin payments soon, but seemingly it's only a matter of time because the tech giants embrace the token economy. So this would be a huge validation for crypto, said Kapil Rathi, co-founder and CEO of Cross Tower, an institutional-grade crypto trading platform, when asked to consider the possibility that the rumors were true. It would be a clear sign that there is significant user demand for crypto for companies of this size to implement it or offer it as products. So Taylor Monahan, founder and CEO of blockchain interaction interface provider MyCrypto, appeared to agree with Beck with regard to Apple, that in December 2020, we saw a surge of companies holding Bitcoin on their balance sheet, which also included the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla. She further added in a conversation with Cointelegraph, "Nowadays, it's noteworthy when a company announces they're holding it, but it's no longer a groundbreaking occurrence." On the other hand, the Amazon news, if it were eventually to pan out, could be more consequential. Actually utilizing Bitcoin for goods and services? That's still largely unexplored, Monahan said. So, greater acceptance for Bitcoin? It would be an enormous deal, agreed Pat White. No relation to Lawrence White. Both Amazon and Apple could have massive importance, he said, though for different reasons. Amazon would trigger congressional hearings, he continued, raising questions whether we were really becoming a corporatocracy. It means a system governed by corporations. Thought it would be incredibly bullish for the market, he added. So, what's interesting that Facebook was the first mover, and a quote that it would give Bitcoin holders more option to spend their Bitcoins, and could thus spur its use as a medium of exchange. So, Beck has a different historical take. The giant tech spell was broken when Facebook announced Libra Jam. He told Cointelegraph, adding that was the sign for big tech and other industries to get ready. Amazon is late to the game and will have a market effect on the demand for Bitcoin. For sure, but Facebook has been the first mover. As for Apple and equally important Alphabet, the impact is still unclear, he continued, but it is fair to say that those two are late to the game already. Well, I can agree that those two are late to the game already, considering that now we have price Bitcoin of 43,500 and 400, and few years ago it was more comfort trade, but who knows, maybe Bitcoin will be cost $500,000. In this case, you never know. It's really interesting for us, and you never know, maybe Bitcoin can do 10x, 20x. So it's obviously no financial advice, but who knows actually. It's all, I think, depend on from your point of trade. So speaking about Bitcoin fractal, that predicted 2020 rally flash again as Bitcoin price reclaims $40,000. So guys, please let me know in the comment section how you like news like this one, like the other one, what you want to see in our videos, what should we talking about more, and also drop a like button. Thank you so much. Subscribe if you're not subscribing, and share with your friends. So the MACD indicator hints at a potential bullish crossover as Bitcoin's price retests $40,000 as a support. So crossover between two Bitcoin moving averages that appeared before the 2020 price boom is hinting at making a return in 2021, just as the flagship cryptocurrency ICE, a bullish breakout from its current 1340 trading range. The indicators in focus are the MACD line and signal line. MACD is an acronym for Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and MACD line represents the difference between the 12 and 26 period moving averages. Meanwhile, a signal line is a 9-period moving average. Plotting the MACD line and signal line together forms the so-called MACD indicator, which allows traders to predict future price trends. For example, when the MACD line's faster moving average closes below the signal line, a slower moving average, it typically reflects a bearish trend underway. Conversely, the trend switches to bullish when the MACD line closes above the signal line. So here we have the picture of MACD, and this is bullish crossover, this is bearish crossover. So I think that you should use it in your day trading, in your investments, because it worked pretty well both on the long time frame and short time frames. So this is MACD line, this is signal line, bullish crossover, bearish, and histogram. So this is tradingview.com, the site where personally I do my research. So on this site it's MACD indicators. So it works pretty well, I think. Obviously it's not best idea to trade your crypto on the one indicator, but I think that it at least worth mentioning that it worked pretty well, and with other instruments, it can help you to see what's the really price of crypto. So obviously not financial advice, but I think it's really worth mentioning and interest. So please let me know in the comment section below what are you thinking, and drop like button, subscribe, thank you so much. So on the downside, traders will keenly monitor the 36k level. On breakdown below 36k level, Bitcoin can quickly move to 28-32k range. So now we can see that price of Bitcoin $43 and $300. So it's interesting what we can be waiting for. Thank you so much to watch it to the end, and click in the video which you have on the screen right now, because in this video we covering up even more of most resonant crypto news, so you will be updated and informed. So thank you so much.